Installing a rear dust filter. Note: check the status of the dust filter at least once every 3 months to make sure it is functional. Place the dust filter into the dust filter holder. Align the dust filter holder with the slot on the rear side of the expansion kit, and then slide the dust filter holder into the slot until it stops. Align the 4 screw slots on the expansion top cover with the expansion kit, and then fasten the screws to secure the top cover to the expansion kit. With the bottom side of the node facing up, fasten the 4 screws on the bottom of the expansion kit. Install the expansion kit to the node